Last year, Pony AI began mass production of its seventh-generation autonomous driving system and expanded its robotaxi fleet to almost 1,000 vehicles operating across major Chinese cities. Let's see what else it's done and check out its plans for 2026, as it currently runs fully driverless commercial robotaxi services across over 2,000 square kilometers in China and has logged more than 55 million kilometers of autonomous driving worldwide, with rapid user growth that could soon extend to the Middle East. Since it received approval from Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority to begin self-driving vehicle trials on public roads. The permit follows a partnership announced in May and allows pilot testing in designated areas, with commercial driverless services targeted for launch in 2026, helping to support Dubai's goal of shifting 25% of urban trips to autonomous transport by 2030. Other international expansions involve partnerships in Qatar and Luxembourg, along with an initiative with Uber to integrate robotaxis into the Uber app. Back at home, Pony received Shenzhen's first citywide permit for fully driverless commercial robotaxi operations. The authorization was jointly granted to Pony and Shenzhen Shihu Corporation Limited, the city's largest taxi operator. Under an agreement from June, Pony AI and Shihu Group plan to deploy more than 1,000 of Pony AI's seventh-generation robotaxis in Shenzhen over the coming years. Then, with Pony's asset-light plus AI-empowered model, it intends to focus on autonomous driving technology and robotaxi dispatch, while Shihu Group manages fleet operations, safety, and service assurance. Elsewhere in China, Pony runs fully driverless commercial robotaxi services in Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou. Speaking of asset-light, Pony expanded its partnership with Sunlight Mobility to accelerate fleet growth through an asset-light, capital-efficient model. Under the agreement, Sunlight Mobility, an operator covering more than 180 cities in China, will fund Pony AI's Gen 7 robotaxi vehicles, reducing Pony's upfront capital requirements while enabling faster and broader deployment. By integrating the jointly supplied robotaxi fleets into both companies' platforms, the collaboration allows shared economics while letting Pony focus on core autonomous driving technology, software, and dispatch capabilities rather than vehicle ownership. From a market perspective, the development supports Pony's strategy of scaling operations without heavy balance sheet strain, a key consideration for long-term profitability in autonomous mobility. Then, for even more financial fuel to boost scalability, capital efficiency, and speed to market toward large-scale commercial robotaxi deployment, Pony launched an initial public offering in Hong Kong, seeking a dual primary listing on the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange under stock code 2026. Pony's American depositary shares will continue trading on the Nasdaq Global Select Market and will become fungible with the Hong Kong shares after a required compliance period. Proceeds from the IPO are being used to commercialize Pony's Level 4 autonomous driving technology, fund research and development, and support working capital needs. After ramping up production of its seventh-generation robotaxi platform, Pony launched its fourth-generation autonomous truck lineup. Developed with manufacturing partners including SANY Truck and Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor, the new trucks are designed for mass production at the 1,000-unit level, with initial fleet deployment planned for 2026. The Gen 4 trucks use 100% automotive-grade components and share many systems with Pony's latest Gen 7 robotaxi platform, cutting per-vehicle materials costs by about 70% compared with the previous generation. They are engineered for a service life of up to 20,000 hours, supporting as much as 1 million kilometers of freight operation. The first two models will be built on battery electric vehicle platforms. Safety and reliability are enhanced through a fully redundant design, including backup systems for steering, braking, power, computing, communication, and sensors. The trucks will undergo extensive testing to ensure performance in harsh weather and complex road conditions. Pony stated the new lineup could significantly reduce logistics costs and emissions. including through platooning models that pair one human-driven truck with multiple driverless vehicles. Since entering the autonomous trucking market in 2018, Pony now operates about 200 trucks, adding extra enthusiasm to the growing driverless stampede. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.